Can 12 senators change the leadership of a 24-member Senate? Under the Constitution, the answer begins with Article 6, Section 16, Paragraph 2. A majority of each house shall constitute a quorum to do business. And in the Senate of 24, majority means 13. That is why Avellino versus Cuenco is being stretched too far. In Avellino, the session had already started. Quorum had already been established. Then there was a walkout. The Supreme Court did not say the 12 is always enough. It only refused to allow a walkout to paralyze the Senate. Iba yun. Today, the theory being floated is more dangerous, that the Senate can reduce itself to 22 because Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Bato de la Rosa are allegedly unavailable. But absence is not vacancy. Detention is not expulsion. Hiding is not resignation. Their seats are still occupied. So, if the Senate itself knew that 12 was a constitutionally vulnerable quorum, then that may explain why they stopped short of changing the Senate president. Because the moment they use that defective number to declare all positions vacant and elect new leadership, they invite a constitutional challenge. You cannot first shrink the Senate by interpretation, then use that smaller number to reorganize power. That is not quorum, that is convenience. And under the Constitution, convenience is never the measure of legitimacy. Another day, another regal POV.
Sa lahat ng tumanggap ng maleta, si Trillanes ang napakaswerte. Kasi dolyar. O, di ba? Dollars. Pag international talaga si Trillanes, kakaiba no? O, ngayon, sinabi niya, nakakasuhan daw niya yung mga nagsalita kung uulitin nila. Hindi na, kasuhan mo na ng magkaalaman. Kasi ang magiging depensa ng nagsalita, na totoo yung kanilang sinasabi. Diba? Na magkaalaman, magkaharapan kayo sa korte kung totoo nga ang sinasabi nila o hindi. Based on the circumstances. Diba? Kasi kung i-deny mo lang, katulad ng mga ginagawa, deny lang nila, wala yun. Mag-file kayo ng libel na kaso para humarap yung mga former soldiers at talagang sabihin in court, no? With your, kumbaga, meron kang opportunity to cross-examine, di ba? Para magkaalaman kung totoo o hindi. Kasi hindi naman magsasalita yan ng basta-basta lang kung walang basihan. Kompleto ng detalye. Saan nagpapalit, magkano ang pinapalit. Lumiit nga raw yung bag. Kasi naging dollars na O, di ba? Kawa. Peke naman. Kaya pala ayaw mong kumandidato, no? Ano ka na pala? Maid. Kaya pala, talagang kahit saan na media, nandun siya, no? Yun pala, fully paid. Dollars. Eto na, pinag-aaralan na raw ng Sandigan Bayan ang pagsuspindi kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada bilang isang senador habang nililitis ang kanyang kaso sa Sandigan Bayan. Di wow. Hindi naman kayo masyadong halata niyan. Kinabuhay ito talaga. What's happening? Lahat talaga gagawin nyo. Kunyari, ipapadaan nyo sa legal. Bakit hindi na ba kayo makapag-recruit doon sa 10 na lang na natitira na naninindigan para sa mga Pilipino? Hindi na ba kayo makakuha doon para makakuha kayo ng 13? Kailangan nyo gawin yan. Isuspindi talaga. para maging majority ay 12. The Maleta Republic of the Philippines.